Boink. Cool. Hey Cameron.
Yes.
I'm in fact live.
Wow.
Guess I can turn that off. Really? Haven't dropped a frame yet? That's a first. I shouldn't say anything.
And
what?
I wouldn't be surprised if you already got like the stream taken down.
Oh, and that's the whole reason why I haven't dropped a frame?
Yeah, because you're not actually streaming.
Am I actually not?
No, I should probably check.
It clearly says on my Discord that I am.
Yeah. Anyway, I gotta go eat dinner, so
Well,
bye.
are you freaking kidding me?
Nope.
Cameron, you're a butt. Cameron, you suck. Can't believe that guy. That guy sucks. It's terrible. Okay, anyways. I don't know what I'm doing, but... Oh, there's the audio. How does the audio sound? Can someone here attest to this? I don't know how it sounds. I guess I'll check it out. I have no idea how I'm gonna check this. I guess I'll have to check it on my phone. Song's a bop though. I mean, as per usual when we get Nintendo's EP section making games, but where did I even put my phone? Sure, it's that. Let's see, how does it sound, is the question of the hour. Okay, you can definitely hear it twice. So I'm gonna stop that. Yeah, I mean, I don't like mono audio, but at least the audio is fine now. At least. I think. Not entirely sure, but whatever. Out of my control. I mean, for the most part. Oh, hi Ethan, how's it going? We're playing a game about 6 hours early. Which, I mean, is not different at all from usual. Oh, you got your iPhone 11, that's sick. I got this game early, it arrived at my door a day early, and I don't know why. It has mouse support too. You click on it and choose allow, and then you go into your settings and restart.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey Nick. Nick, speak.
What you doing?
Trying to get this going. This volume is kind of loud. So, today's stream's been shorter than usual. Your next speak?
Hi.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's much better. Okay.
Sorry if there's background noise.
Oh no, it's fine. Don't worry, it's literally just gonna be experimenting with this game. Probably just me staring at a screen and not knowing what I'm doing. Now, the question of the hour is, if I were to make some G Fuel right now, do I make Sonic Ring, PewDiePie, or Hype Sauce?
Make?
Yes. Because, like, I have to add it to the water.
Oh.
Which one do I choose?
I mean, I would obviously say Sonic.
Okay, is there no oppositions to this then? Is that what we're choosing? Okay, cool. I guess we have to open up the Sonic one then. PewDiePie? Okay, I already have that one open. Okay, we might have to flip a coin or do rock, paper, scissors. Okay, I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 10. Or you choose PewDiePie. Though, I had it last stream. I mean, it is nice to not have to open another container, but like... 7? Okay. Nick, how about you?
4.
That was the number I was thinking of. Okay, so I guess it's going to be Sonic then. Neato.
Nice.
Okay. Time to open this. Nick's gonna cry because I have to peel off the plastic. And I know he's probably going to cry because that means Sonic's head is getting cut off. They put it up there for some reason. I can't hear you right now, Nick, by the way. Just my headphones, so... Sorry if you said something really funny that made me laugh. I'll just laugh.
I definitely did.
Obviously, at the end that... See, these pull tab things never work. Ever. Like, it's got like those... like these little jagged things. I never get them. And I don't want to damage the plastic. Plastic looks cool. Like what is this? This is terrible. It never works. Okay. I mean, it's good enough. Let's see, how does this color look? If it's blue, I'm gonna cry. Okay, it's completely empty. I mean, you know what I mean? Can't tell yet. Yeah, it looks like... Ugh. Oh, that is really good. I can't show you. White, just like all the other colors. They always come out white. It's actually pretty interesting. This one's kind of got a bit of a red hue to it, though, unlike the others. I don't know why I licked the dry G Fuel. It's gross. It's disgusting. And it just spilled water everywhere. That's cool. The switch is on the other side of the tape. There we go. Well, I assume it's going to be colored, that is. Remind me. Sorry, I can't like read chat or anything right now. Okay. Oh, shitting water everywhere, this is terrible. Like, clean off the teeth. Damn. Anyways, not having the most fun ever. Now, what just happened? I didn't even click anything. What is this? I didn't even click anything. Why did I do this? Okay, I don't want to see what color it is. It's peach. It's also peach flavored, and it tastes like peach juice but with G Fuel. Surprise! You'd never expect that, would you? That honestly might be my new favorite flavor. That's pretty good. But it's like peach, but like fuzzy peach, not like a. It definitely doesn't taste like artificial peach. Like it tastes like natural peach, but like it's very flavored, like boosted to say the least. Sorry, I'm like awkwardly trying to plug my mouse into this dock because this game supports it. Anyways, finally here. Nick, you there? Nick?
Oh yeah.
Oh, hi.
There's a ton of background noise now.
It's actually pretty good.
Good.
The green apple one was my favorite, but after I finished the tub, it kind of, like, that was the first tub I finished, because I'm not a heavy G Fuel drinker, to say the least. But it is, I prefer it to coffee, honestly. It tastes good even without a lot of sugar, so.
Yeah, I honestly thought it was gonna be chili dog flavored or something.
That's gross, oh my gosh. Okay, so, Nick, what do you think so far of the mouse? I still can't believe they have mouse support. Okay, that was rude. Okay, I can't change anything. I can only change this. Which... Okay, so was I supposed to jump on it? Ah! Nope. Apparently not. Make it movable? Destructive? And maybe visible? Like, I don't understand what... Okay, I'm not gonna make it solid. What does that do? Does that mean I can fall through? Understandable. Oh, okay, cool. That kills me. Neato. Can I change myself? Or I guess I can go here, make it destructible as well. Oh.
I guess the jump?
You can't jump. It didn't have it programmed, and it wasn't letting me. Anyways. Yeah, that is a good G Fuel flavor. See, I like the lingonberry a lot, but I mean, it's like I'm not the biggest hardcore fan of cranberry in the world, so. The Rowdy launch objective Nodon. Okay. What the fricking heck? I do want to become famous. That's so cool. If only I had the ability to delete that comment. Oh, cool. And now it's... Okay, so there's bots in chat. That's neat. I really wish my mouse wasn't connected to my Switch so I could turn that off. Can I, like, navigate over there? It's gonna be a pain, though. On-screen mouse. You know what? That's really cool. I can't even do anything about it, and I don't care. So... Okay, all it's letting me do is up the launch intervals, so I guess I'll just... Wow, that was so difficult, wow. Neat. Okay, cool. I'm only doing this because I had no idea what I was doing with the other thing. $50 minutes? Oh my god. Okay, I want to go back to free programming. This is my Pong game. Does anyone want to try it out? Works really well right now. Okay. So, I'm gonna make a... I wanna go ahead and go to... Play sound. Effects. System sounds. What? See what's going on? I see what's going on. You aren't reading your YouTube chat? This might... Oh, shoot! I'm sorry. No, it's because I... Aw, darn. I don't have, my YouTube chat on right now because I have it set to, Oh, shoot, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna switch it around. It's because my mouse, first off, is not on OBS. Second off, I have two different things because of the delay of my capture card, I have to have two different scene collections, and I forgot to update it so that it actually could support my YouTube chat on this scene collection. Carmen, hi Sean, how's it going? Oh, Capnem, I thought you said Carmen. Whoops. Let's see here. Sorry about that, guys. Here, I'll see if I can fix this. Thanks for pointing it out. So, what did I miss on YouTube chat? Gotta pull it up now. Is it? All widgets, chat box, copy link. Nothing important? Okay. Yeah, I literally spent so long getting it so I could have both chat boxes, and then literally after I did that, YouTube chat. Ignore that. After I set it all up, oh, people ask me if the game is worth it? I would say so. What country I'm in? I'm in Canada. My game arrived early. Okay. Sorry about that. Yeah, I feel really stupid now. Okay. Isn't much of a leak? Not really, no. Why is it all, distorted like that? 400? Ugh. Can someone type in chat? I just...
Wait, you haven't been banned yet?
No. Okay,
Huh.
cool. But now it just feels too small. I had this all figured out, and I feel like this game is a 9 out of 10. I really like it because it has the I would say like Nintendo's pizzazz that Mario Maker 2 was missing. Um, Sorry, this is really wonky. I literally have that the same width. I was in compared to Scratch or Unity. It's simplistic like Scratched, but you can kind of tell at the same time that you have to wait 12 whole minutes before it's released here in the UK. Oh boy. A long wait for you. I'm surprised how many people are here in chat. How many people are watching this right now? There's like literally no one ever watching my streams, and I was just here to screw around. What's going on? 5 people. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, so I kind of feel like just screwing around, and I have to switch the mouse back. So yeah, this game has mouse support. I decided to test it out, and I will literally never go back to the controller ever again. You started playing it, you can mess with overlay off stream. Oh, start playing it? Oh, yeah. Fair enough. I mean, I figured it was bothering people that the chat wasn't there. Either way, so I don't know if I should be doing, like, does anyone want to do the tutorial? Like, the tutorial's kind of dumb, in online create. Okay, so I don't mean to ruin anything for anybody, but the online, if I go to receive, it's just like Mario Maker with IDs, and honestly a massive letdown, but I mean, what else did you expect? You saw programming, you want to see what a fellow programmer would make? Well, I'm just starting out, but I'm working on Pong. I mean, and one of my biggest reactions when I was playing this game was I'm surprised that, you know, I can guarantee you could make anything to your heart's content. But the thing is that, you know, like a lot of booleans and stuff were missing. There's no like if statements, no while loops. You'd have to like seriously go ahead and like you have to work around all these limitations. And I mean, it's a fun thing. But at the same time, it would be nice if we had, you know, like with the amount of Nodon that are here, like there are quadrillions. Like, it would really be nice to have the like just more of a. It's hard to explain. I'm sure because you're a programmer, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, be right back. Got it. Okay, so I'm trying to make and oh my god, what just happened? Okay, so the mouse really great. Glad they have that. I'm surprised it works. I was like literally mind blown. Even the macros work on my mouse, which is great. Like I can't say that I expected that at all. So, but what I'm trying to do here, because I haven't really done the tutorial, we've got this nodon here is the object break nodon. So what my plan is to have it increment the counter from a range of 0 and 1, and basically I want to have it multiply into, I guess, like how this works here, if that makes sense. So like the counter down here, I want to have it multiply the speed and change the ball. Yeah, it looks like it's really fleshed out. Oh my gosh, it is crazy. Like there's even a manual. Like let's say you go into any of the nodon here, you have like an indexed manual which shows like literally all of the nodon, which there's quite a few of them, just a couple. And then you got like your other stuff too. It is fully fleshed out. It is or fletched. I don't know. It's very well rounded, and honestly, probably the thing this if this here had it came out, I wouldn't have bought the Nintendo Labo. To be fair, I just spilt that all over myself. That's cool. Okay. So, anyways, Sorry, it's Epic Games is giving away free Nitro apparently. That's really cool. Let me know about that. I'm interested, even though I pay for it already. So about multiplying into the speed. So we have 0 here. What I'm thinking is, you can still get a free month? Exactly, yeah, that'd be pretty cool. I have to multiply in by -1 when it observes the object breaking. So, yeah, this is a little bit weird. Very, very weird, to say the least. Unless, can I go into middle, convert? Nope, not absolute value. Inversion. Does this invert? Or rather, this invert? So now... output. No, because that would just invert the signal. Yeah, no, that wouldn't work at all. Ugh. So, what we'd have to do, probably, is use a comparison. And you're back 6 minutes? Oh, until launch, yeah. Do a comparison. If this is equal to 1, is this what you're checking to? Yeah. So reading a constant. If it's equal to 1, then invert. No. If this is true, we want to invert. Oh, I keep dragging that. How's it going? Enjoying the game? I am enjoying the game so far. It's pretty good. I mean, especially since it's not, super expensive. It's definitely... It kind of takes the necessity out of, the entire Labo, which makes me regret spending $100 on that. But, what kind of game am I making? I'm currently trying to make Pong. Here, I'll show how it's going so far. Right now we have a ball that goes up there. It's breaking. I'm trying to have the object break, effect, detect, and increment this counter, which goes from a range of 0 to 1, so we can multiply the speed and have it bounce in the opposite direction. So, on that note, if this here is equal, so if it's 1, what it would do is... I feel like it would give a result of true, would it not? So this here would have to be, and I'm in simulation game design myself, so this game intrigues me. Oh, for sure, same here. Like, I was literally like, the second this game got announced, I was like, oh my god, finally I won't have to get approved by Nintendo to actually run games on the Switch? But, I mean, it's not that great, obviously, but it's still amazing at the same time to have something like this. It'll arrive to your house tomorrow. Mine was supposed to arrive tomorrow, but it came this morning at 9 AM, and I was like, okay, this doesn't sound right, but... Anyways. So, the thing is I'm 99 billion% sure. If I could probably just take this constant value. This would just change the the input, obviously. But the thing is that I only want to do it if this is true. Which... yeah, tell me about it. It's a common issue. It happens to me a lot, believe it or not. The thing is that I don't know how you would make it... Because there's no if statements. Like, See, like, I could just be missing it, but... I'm 99% sure there's no if statements. If face up, but... Yeah, no, I'm gonna need... How would you do this? Like, what if I only wanted to invert it? Wouldn't you need two values to the and node? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, I don't know how you would do this. It's like, you could use, hypothetically, like, using, logic gates. Like, I feel like I could just include the, this value here. And then this would run only if these two values work, if you know what I mean. What type of gaming I'm making? I'm trying to make Pong. Let's just see where this goes. I don't think it's going to change anything. So right now the Joy-Con moves. I've got it rigged up to a UFO. I keep doing that. Okay, they got it. Wait, you can lock it. I'm just an idiot. I'm so stupid. My god. Okay. I'm locking you too. Everybody's getting locked today. Did I just move it? I did. Yeah, like, for sure, when you guys get the game, use a mouse. USB mouses work. Like, I haven't had a mouse that hasn't worked. This one's a G602, and it's got, like, even this here, like, the ability to change the DPI, and it works flawlessly. Like, I literally can't... I couldn't believe it, honestly. Like, it's got macros and everything, and it works perfect. Let's see. Trying to figure out... I don't really want to... You're covered with a USB mouse? For sure. Like, literally, look at how slow this cursor moves with the Pro Controller. It is, like... It's not that bad, but, like... This is just so much better. Okay. And if you double-click, you can click and drag, which is nice. But... I don't know how you would go about making it only so that this inverts. I might have to do some weird adding stuff. Isn't flag node on a boolean? It might be. Looks like we got two inputs, and I believe it's... I don't know what this is. Flag is on. Oh! Yeah. It looks like you're right. Thank you so much. They need to put options for sensitivity. I don't know if they do or not. Oh, wait. Ew, no. Touch, control stick, no. Image shortcuts. Did they actually not? Okay, you can't. That's really cool. Sarcastic. Flag holds a value. Okay, cool. I don't know if this is necessarily what we want. Because, like, how would you then check... Like... Then you just have to use another AND. Read the Notopedia? Ugh, I don't want to, like... I don't even read the terms and conditions. Are you kidding? Yeah, definitely not my favorite programming language, but still. It's midnight, why won't Game Builder Garage open? It should. Okay. Like, I just don't know how you would go about doing this. Unless I have to make, like, a counter for... Yeah, you'd need a counter for the X and Y values, would you not? Wouldn't you? Okay, so what we'll do is we'll have this, instead of outputting... My cat is here. Hi, cat. Count up. And... Like, I just want it to hold the variable. Is there, like, a number variable that we can have? Because I know there's... object, special object, there's a number object. This is kind of like a variable. I'll make it invisible. I don't want it in the game. You see I have lots of spaghetti? Does it go by a specific region time? It goes by the region that your Switch is in. And whatever region you bought the game on. Like, whichever region your currency is, pretty much. So I guess I could use this, but it doesn't output the number. Is the thing. There's no output. So this won't work. I was referring to an old meme. The amount of connections you have right now. That's funny. Yeah, that's funny. You win. See, I don't know how. Like, you'd have to use a counter, and then maybe reset it every time you want to change it, I think. I don't know, it's like... Ugh. Not a fan, that's for sure. So, increment it by... obviously, that number. On change from 0, I think. Hopefully that would work. And then, if it's equal to 1 here, I might be overthinking things. I'm for sure overthinking things, but it's still like, you know, I've still got like a couple hours before the game comes out, so I'll blame it on that. Oh boy. So this will invert the signal. Am I overthinking things? Google. Yeah, like, I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Oh my god. Ugh. Ugh, I'm under pressure and it's just, it's hard. Because I want to make it so that if it's, you know, if this runs, to switch the number, multiply it by -1. But that's just, it's difficult, to say the least. So if this increments, basically if the block breaks, it'll toggle. Just read the instructions. Was the ship most recent SpaceX Falcon 9? Huh? So I guess I could use a flag instead of an and, but... yeah, I gotta invert the signal. If and only if... Ugh. Calculate node on? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of using. But like, it's weird, to say the least. Unless what I do is big brain time. I make it toggle from 1 to 0, or what am I trying to? I'm trying to accomplish. I'm trying to have this multiplier change the number to negative if and when the object box is detected to break, if that makes sense. So when I have a 1 as an output here, what did I just do? Okay. It's hard to explain. I'm so used to the Toy-Con garage that, like, I think that I'm simplifying things too much, and my brain is just... ugh. So I have this constant here as... well, it was, I don't know why this is here. It was triggering the, basically the direction that this ball here, oh my god, goes in. But I guess if I make it go from 0 to 1, no, because that's, or -2 to 1, maybe, no, because I want to have it multiply by either 1 or -1. If there's a signal here. And that's just... ugh. That's ugh, to say the least. Is there a... all you received is negative? Yeah, okay, that makes sense, but like... I only want it to flip the value. Hmm. Hmm. I know this'll work. This is a boolean. Basically, if a box breaks, it becomes a 0, or it'll become a 1. And then it'll send off a signal. I don't think we need the AND. Can't you just connect the break node on to the inverter? Hypothetically? But the thing is that, unfortunately for my speed, I want it to be at about 1.5 rather than 1. So, I see what you're saying, though. I know. No. How do I change the input now? I need a constant. Okay, let's give this a shot. We'll add 0.5. Get it to the right number. So... it'll either be 0.5... no, because that's not right either. Oh! Darn, I totally thought I was onto something there. Should we just do the tutorial, guys? I feel like we should just do the tutorial. I feel like I'm an idiot. I feel like an actual game reviewer here. Can't even figure out how to play the game. Which is kind of sad. Like, I just want to make it so that if it's true, it'll set the number, it'll multiply it by -1. Ugh. Why is this so difficult? Can you, like, update constants? No, you can't. Oh, that's so annoying, like... I don't know what the wormhole stuff is. If the game was in your hands, you might be able to help. Please, please, I'll literally... I mean, I actually could do that. Hypothetically, I have that power. Tutorial may help? Okay. The tutorial's not fun, though. No offense. It's not the meat and potatoes of the game. Nodons are teleporters? Oh, okay. On a roll, let's give it a shot. Oh, this is fun. In the previous lesson, we made ourselves the no-holds-barred tag showdown, and you were great. Hey, oh, shut up! Don't even go there. If you'd care to join me, I've got plenty more to show you in Lesson 2. Now on the topic of our next game, this one's going to be all about tilting your controller. Okay, good thing I have motion controls on this Pro Controller. Obviously tutorials are supposed to teach you. Yeah, I mean, I literally don't mean to brag, but every year in computer science I have gotten 100%. And I'm not too great at this right now. Try watching the next video. Okay, we have to watch a video now. Okay, so that's probably your wormhole thing right there. Okay, this is quite simplistic. This is feeling kind of like one of the Breath of the Wild's terrible shrines. Yeah. Okay, I know how to do overhead view. Okay, Apple. Uses an old computer to run Everything? I mean, yes and no. Clearly everything Nintendo uses is made in Toy-Con Garage, and now this is their new development kit, obviously. Okay, yeah, I know how to place apples. I get it. Yeah. Something happened on the game screen. Cool. Exactly what I wanted. Hey, listen, Apple. The view will be used to create the ball, roll around in. And on that note, it's time to start making the level itself. Okay. First, we need to decide... Okay, so we need to make our canvas in Unity, of course. Dude, I really like that this game has character. Okay. I'm gonna lock it. Am I allowed? No. Hi, wall. Okay. Stinky cheese. Thank you, Mr. Classy Gassy. Beautiful name, by the way. Only visible and solid. Got it. Color, I want it. I wanted it purple. I might be the bottom wall, but I'm at the top of my game. Cool. Stretch this. I'm not a fan of these weird... Oh. What the? Why is it doing that? Okay. I'm not a fan of the things when they, like, kind of stretch out to the side like that. It's always bugged me. I'm the left wall, but I'll sure treat you right. Hilarious. Okay. This game looks too complicated? I can't even read your name. Retro Jim. I mean, it is quite complicated, but I'm sure it's just because it's starting. The game has a massive, like, diary, and of course you can go, like, I'm sure there'll be, like, websites to share code, so you can just play it too if you want. Okay, it's exactly what you'd expect. On a roll, right? Hilarious. It's literally what I do with my mouse all the time. Cool. Okay, so that's step one. Yeah, I already knew that, though. I mean, I managed to figure it out myself. Like, I feel like I'm nowhere near where it's going to teach me about Boolean logic. Can't wait to make a first-person horror game. I can't wait to make Breath of the Wild 2 and show it off before it gets announced at E3. The Australians have already made games that, like, Lost Woods. Are you serious? Wow. Set the Y position. Neato. Okay, now I just need to, you know, turn on motion controls. Wow, look, nothing happens. Planning on getting the game tomorrow? It's pretty neat. I'd recommend it. But then again, I'm very biased when it comes to Nintendo. No reason whatsoever. Yes, we'll need a tilt node on. Bro, tilt node on for Smash Bros, am I right? First made the ball roll to the side, so we tilt the controller left and right. Can change the range from 0 to 0.15. Right there. See, these are much more in-depth than, you know, node-ons for assists. Dude, imagine every single node-on in the game. That'd be crazy. it's on the x-axis. Okay! Oh, wow, that's a little bit slow. Dude, did it just go over the wall? I swear it just went over the wall. Okay. A few more hours until... I'm in the same time zone as you. Not so much movement, of course, because we haven't programmed to do anything yet. That makes sense. Okay, so I do have to copy it. Yeah, but why is it always the z-axis? What if I don't want it on the z-axis? Okay. Change my color so it should be easy to read. I didn't even know you could do that, but yeah, it is. You can tilt forward and backward by rotating the x-axis. Oh, I didn't even see that. I'm just dumb. Uh-huh. Whoa! It works! That's how we roll. Dude, I can't wait to make 1-2 Switch for cheaper than the actual game itself. Okay. I honestly don't think this is going to explain... I don't think this is going to explain Boolean logic, so I kind of just want to go back and see if I can figure it out. But at the same time, I don't want to be sitting on the same screen. Can you make a visual novel in this? I'm sure you could. There's text and stuff. We're on the menu. There is, like, text and stuff like that. Objects, it's under... where is it? Text objects, so I'm sure you could if you know, tried hard enough. But unfortunately, I have a feeling this is going to be a massive limitation. Okay. So, back to this garbage. Can you make 3D models or combine 3D objects to make your own thing? That I am not sure of, and I want to say probably not. Something that is cool, that, you know, blew my mind, is on the play background music. There is a lot more you can do. There's a note on called Game Switch about that. Wait, what? Swap game? Is that what you're talking about? Wait, what are you talking about here? You can load up a new game. Oh! Neato! That's actually really cool. Yeah, okay. That's neat. I didn't know about that. That's actually really handy. I'm glad. Still going to be annoying nonetheless, but I mean, it would be like a scene in Unity then, so yeah, okay. But something that's really cool, I just clicked the back button, is, you know, these are kind of like MIDIs, in which you can kind of change the channels. Is it going to be isn't there a more in-depth on music in Game Builder Garage? I think this is what you're talking about. Puncture or point and click adventure game would be cool. Yeah, I mean, just use the touchscreen, and I mean, maybe a billion of the touch node on. So now you need global variables. Ugh, yeah. Ugh, didn't want to think about that. Did not want to think about that. Okay. So let's see here. We've got this, incrementing this. When it gets to 1, it would loop back around. See, like, I want to make it negative or not negative. That makes sense. Like, is there a loop node on? That would make my life easier. Like, ugh. Okay. So, not happy. Not my brain. My brain is not happy. Okay. Boolean logic. This is either a 0 or a 1. Every time that a box breaks, Yeah, like a loop node on. I'm thinking of something like to repeat a task. Like, I don't know. I'm so used to like a Boolean like based language, if that makes sense. This game looks way more advanced than you thought it was going to be, for sure. It totally is. 100%. Actually. Um. Remake Pac-Man? Like, it's gonna be fun. Like, it's fun to do so, but like, when I'm under pressure on stream, it's kind of like, ugh! I don't want to like bore you guys, but what am I trying to accomplish? I'm trying to make it so that if, let's say, this gives off a signal, it would invert the number that is being sent. But only if it's, Carmen with 21 viewers, thanks. Only if the signal is sent would it invert the number, if that makes sense. So, ugh. I feel like you'd need a counter. Like, I feel like if I send a signal with like 1.5, it would increment this by 1.5. So, and then when this goes, you'd want to reset it again. And then, okay, wait. Change this to 1. Logic, comparison equals. So if this is equal to 1, so if it's 1, send out a signal. I mean, constant. Okay, wait. What if you attack Nintendo for ruler with? Yeah, that is an on joke. What kind of variables do you have in this? Just integers or other floats? Currently, just constants. So I mean, technically, a float because you can have decimals. So the decimal placements, I don't think are. Oh, two decimal places. So technically, just floats. But if we subtract then 3, yeah, doubles, sorry, that's the right word. If we have that at -3, and I didn't mean to attach that, we could subtract it by -3 if and only if this is true. If that makes sense. Okay. If this is true, and that is -3. Like, ugh! This is so complicated for no reason! I just want my if statement, man! It doesn't help that these are all, like, weird sizes, so I can't actually see what they're doing. So on start, this increments to 1. Does it increment to 1? Why would it? Okay, whatever. Increments to 1. This here is 1.5. See, that was annoying. Are there interaction-based logic? Yes. That there is. This all here. But... ugh. So you could have... How are you liking Game Builder Garage? It's great. It's very much problem solving. Wasn't this meant for children to learn programming? I have a feeling this is kind of more meant to be like, hey, take our already done projects and kind of twist it around and see what's going on. Yeah, I'm no programmer. I have no idea what's going on here. I meant like when two objects interact. I believe so. I'm not entirely sure. My cat is meowing. I'm very, Okay. So this here is multiplying that, taking the output here, but when the box breaks, it would reset to 0, and it would send off a signal. See, make Smash 6 real quick? I'll think about it. See, I want to make it count down if this gives off a signal. But the thing is that I doubt this would work. Okay. Okay, cool. Why did that happen? Because I didn't link it up. Didn't mean to click that. Okay, so you have a ball going that way. Okay, that was better than I had imagined. Okay, what just happened? I'd like to be able to see. Not gonna be able to see. Can I wish I could, like, click this and have it start, like, just so I can preview what's going on. But I guess I could input touchscreen if touched, settings, this node on touch, just to debug, and have it count up. So what happened? Okay, this is not as easy to preview as I wanted it to be. Yeah, no, this is nowhere, yeah, no. Boom. I thought it was like, I'm tired, and just left. Yep, for sure. Okay, I want to watch this again. So, it's going, and it drops immediately. Should move the boxes so that they look like a downwards tree. That's too smart. Only it was easier to do it. So, it's like, I want to know what this value became. Simplest solution. Not that one. Show me my number! That did not help at all. Okay, so it's a 1 right now, and it goes to 0. You think the sound effects are gonna make you go insane? Absolutely not. Sound effects are, like, literally the best part. I need my, like, I wish they should add the note on sound effects to, like, all IDEs. Like, that's just logic right there. That would make my life better. I don't know about you. So why is it that it went from 1 to 0? It went from 1 to 0. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so the reason is because it's subtracting 1. Can the logic / node-ons be considered condensed into groups? Well, the thing is that there's a game change. So, people were talking about it earlier, so I have a feeling that, that's totally possible. It's just, I don't think there's much of a way to have global variables. So, let's see. Yeah, I don't really know. How am I going to subtract? And why is there even a subtract node on then? Like, what if you made the table tilt game from Wii Fit with motion controls? Don't actually, because you were planning on doing that? I feel like that would be easy. Because, I mean, I just feel like it would be, but good point. How's the game you really hyped for it? It's pretty great. It's just kind of confusing, because, you know... it could get really mad. Have you seen some of the creations on, like, Toy-Con Garage? That, like, yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, it's subtracting... It's resetting, actually. It's not even subtracting, now that I'm thinking about it. Like, am I going to need a timer? I don't know. I don't know how I'm gonna go about doing this. Slightly unmanageable? Oh, that's not the word. That's not the word. Can you download and upload your creations? Yes, you can, but you need lovely IDs and level codes, which hopefully they bring a Game Builder Garage bookmark website, because that would be nice. Just saying, Nintendo. Yikes. Hoping to build a fighting game that's called Psycho Kick Brawler. I wouldn't put Psycho in the name, Nintendo might delete your level. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to go about doing this. Making a 3D game? Oh, for sure. I don't think there really is a way to make a 3D game. It's more of just all 2.5D, like it's either overhead or not overhead. Can you save and import logic into levels? I don't think so, unfortunately. To post Game Builder Garage levels. Oh, you want to make Pepsi Man? That's... please send me your level code when you do. Make sure I will play it on stream. I'm not sure, though, how you go about doing this. There's a website called My Game Garage already. Wow. There's 3D gameplay. So the gameplay is not... It's 2.5D, so the objects themselves are 3D. But, like, if I switch to overhead view, which you can't really right now, I was doing it in the other one. Like, I could go to the game screen here, switch to overhead, and you can kind of do, like, the opposite, if that makes sense. It's not really 3D. Or actually, not yet, at least. There will be 3D eventually, to say the least. Like, I haven't unlocked it yet. Because I'm 99% sure that 3D's there. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. Nice. Gotta change that. Oh boy. Is it going up again? Is it bugged? Don't be bugged. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the, I'm going back to the other thing. Here's the link, mygarage.games. Unfortunately, I can't click it because my mouse is connected to my Switch, but, thanks for putting that there, for sure. We're just gonna go through the tutorial. I need this. Yeah, we did. Okay. But I know how to do all this. This is so simple. Like... I just want to move on to the other tutorials, man. I need the more advanced stuff. Game code? Oh, what's that right there? Is that a level you want me to play? Is that what this is? I'll try it. Yeah, maybe some inspiration. Can you download people's levels and, like, actually see the insides? I don't know if you can. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is a lot better. I did it. They're really squeezing your hand in the sword. Oh, yeah, oh, for sure. Like, you can't even, like, select a color. Like, you have to choose the color that it wants. Absent without official leave. They expect kids to know what that means. Yeah, that makes sense. So what if we make the object break? Are we going to use text? Probably not. I can't read. Enabling destructible means... Yeah, I know what that means. I did it! Applesauce! Yeah, I want to make it look like I picked it up. Oh, are we actually going to get to use text? So, like, I feel like they're expecting kids to just use the tutorial... Excuse me. To use the tutorial and, you know, kind of remix it rather than actually making their own corrections. Basically, in that website, you can put your code there, and people will play it. Oh, cool. Okay. I don't like that the apples are bouncy. Kind of annoying. Oh, yeah, it literally said I got ahead of it. That's cool. Okay. Neat. I think there's only one person who has uploaded there. Wow. Let me see if I can download that code. I'm gonna see if I can try that out. Sorry for, like, being all over the place, but, like, you know, the game's brand new. I don't really know it yet. Save. Online. And I have to type this in. Keyboard support when? I think there is keyboard support, honestly. First Project Playground. Okay, so this is how it works, it seems. And it looks like I can view all the games you have. That's really cool. Okay, so it counts towards my games, which is cool, I guess, but at the same time. Can you actually use the car? Okay, so it is full 3D. Aha, Jonathan, you are using my Nodons. Hilarious. What's in the chest? Absolutely nothing. But we can open it up here, and you can see how... Don't want to say simplistic. But, it's quite simplistic, which is nice at the same time. Now, if we wanted to... Oh, we can't edit the level? Okay, so you can't edit other people's levels, which I'm not the most keen about. Even if it were, you know, have, like, kind of scratch, like, remix. Oh, that's the level on the website? Okay. I don't know, man. Like, it's pissing me off that I don't know what to do here. Ugh. Like, I've got a UFO here with my Joy-Con. But, like, I don't want it to drop. I want to make it so that, you know, the X and Y values become negative. Which means that the number that's being sent has to become negative, but there's no way to update a constant value. Obviously, like, that makes sense, but, like, you know, you'd think you'd have, like, would it have to be a counter? Put a sensor node on the wall objects. That sounds smart. Sensors. Is it touch sensor? Okay, that looks better. Oh, is this like an actual... Output timing on touch. Is the sensor itself an actual object? Okay, it is. But it's invisible. Which is honestly good. Okay, so if we give this a shot now, and this then gets counted, it would go up by 1. Yeah. Like, is there any way I could increment the count number? Like, how would you... I'm trying to think, like, Because I want to make it so that the value is either negative 1.5 or 1.5. So... And the counter would be 0 or 1, unless I make it 1 or 2. And then 1... Like, if you subtract 1.5... Like, I don't know. Ugh. Wait, can't I make the counter start at 1? Oh, I can. Start it at 1. Make it go from 1 to 2 instead. Okay. Here's a different approach. So if it goes from 1 to 2 now, you could then increment... Hi, how's it going? Can you actually use the card? Like, how do you get in the game? It's characters right here. Oh. Whoops. Right here. And you would hook it up to the controller. It's possible. Instead of changing the X and Y values, why not invert the angle of which it's moving? That would make sense, but is also not what I would do in Scratch. So no. So if you have 1 or 2, then unless, wait, actually no. Have it go back to 0 to 1, start at 0, and then you have this number multiply the number to decrease by. Yeah, I think that would work. So this number, if I delete this, and pull out another calculator, multiply this by the number to decrease by. And the number would be 3. Because that's 1.5 times 2. Good luck with the stream, thanks. So it'll either be 0 or 1. And this here is going to give an output. And that would be how much you want to decrease by. If anyone's following. Okay. Did that get rid of the reset? I think it did. I don't know if we want any of this or if it even matters. Yeah, this stuff doesn't matter. Okay. This might work. Oh, wait, I just unpaused. Nice. Why didn't anything happen? I don't understand what happened there. On touch. Does this not check what? Box, cylinder, sphere. Do I have to link it? How do I... Does anyone know how to use this? Solid? Is that the reason? Nope. Here's our object. Am I supposed to link it? How do I? This is weird. Very odd. Is it updating up here? Are you even... No. That's weird. I don't know how to use this. Well, I mean, at least I know now what I'm trying to do. So if we go to sensors, touch sensor, setting, I don't know why I didn't just go to settings. What does the manual say? Accepts any number. A special type of port that physically links to objects generation. Connect it to the upper connection port of another node on. What? What is your touch sensor for? I'm trying to have it trigger basically if it hits the object here, unless it's because this object is here. Do I have to get rid of the object? Is that why? Oh, wait, I just saw it. Never mind, I'm stupid. Because it was locked. Okay, that should do it now. Or not? What happened? What? What was that? How do you stop the UFO from falling in place? I set the gravity to, let's see here. Is it the UFO? No, that's the object. Go here, and then it was... Oh no, I set it to... I parented it to the Joy-Con object here, and then I set the thing to 0 gravity. I think the ball bounced off the ceiling object and then collided with the white roll, which had no touch sensor. But it doesn't explain why it didn't increment by 1. Because this here is set to, you know, increment by 1. Like, I don't understand. Like, is this just not outputting the number? What's going on here? What is happening? Is it because it's resetting? I don't know what's going on. Nope. What? Why is it... Why is this touch sensor weird, man? Ugh. Very weird. Okay. Does it need to be the bottom one? I really doubt that. Yeah, no, it's not. Can you link the ceiling to the touch sensor and to the counter? That's what I'm trying to, do. But it's not incrementing the counter. I don't know why. Like, it's destroying the object. Is it because of the object itself? Is it because of it's destroying it? Is that why? No? What? See, this is weird to me. See, that number should be incrementing by 1. Does the touch sensor need the ball as an input? Potentially. Potentially. That would make sense. Check what? Genius right here. Genius alert. What is the name of it? No, it's... What even is it? What is it? Ah! What even is it considered? What is this object? I forget what it is. It's sphere, isn't it? Yeah, it's sphere. Is it destroying the object? Is that what's going on? No. That was loud. Scared me. I don't want to make it destructive. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, and it just went through. Maybe double check the counter inputs. It's inputting to the... Sure, the signal increments it. Yeah, it should. I mean, Nintendo normally wouldn't let it touch and count. Yeah, so how many times it touches it? Does this work with Pro Controller? Yes, it does. I'm using that right now. I don't know why it's... Like, thanks? Yeah, no problem. I don't know why it's not working, though. Just the sphere. Just check for sphere. Like, that's what I'm... Like, I don't know why it's not incrementing the value. Kinda weird. And I don't know why. Yeah, I don't get why it's doing that. Do I need to turn box on for collision? But now I feel like it would be incrementing the number non-stop, because it's touching the... Display the output from the sensor too? Oh, you mean... Okay, it's 2. Why are you not incrementing this? What is your problem? You know what? These are the 2 here. Why is it not detecting this middle one? Okay, it's not detecting this box for some reason. Because it's parented. I bet you that's the... Yep, that was exactly the reason. Okay. Objects allowed to be out of the screen, yes. Not out of this massive screen, though. Can't be out here. But don't worry, you've got a little bit of wiggle room for that. It's fine. Okay. So that should now increment the counter. So I should be able to delete this. Thanks, guys, for that, by the way. Very helpful. Turn off box now. So now it should detect the sphere. Or not, because of the fact that it's not actually colliding. Bring it down a bit. Are objects allowed to be out of the screen? Yes. Okay, why is it not detecting the sphere? Like, I don't understand. Okay, it is detecting the sphere there, but it's not incrementing the counter. Because it's, well, not 0, isn't it? That's probably the reason. No. Why are you not incrementing my number, man? Try locking it? What, this? Do I need to maybe parent the object to it? Maybe? I doubt that would be it. No, that is not what I wanted to do. You suggest angles? Yeah, that makes sense. This looks like it's gonna be frustrating, but in a fun way. I agree. I agree. I feel like this has that Nintendo magic. Almost like what, like... Almost like how Minecraft is fun to decorate in, despite the fact that, you know, it's very limiting. Make it visible to confirm that they are touching. Okay. I mean, it had that, I think it is visible, is it not? Okay, can I select it, please? Great, this is bad. There we go. It is visible. How's Breath of the Wild 2.5 deving going? Oh yeah, it'll be done in approximately 75 years. don't understand why. Hi, hello. I don't know why it's not going. Because it's detecting everything but my sphere, it seems like. And this is a sphere. Am I wrong? Yeah, it is. That's like a long time. Eh. Eh. Debatable. I don't know. I'm so confused. Maybe keep a second number output from the touch sensor. Second number output. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, like, this one clearly isn't working yet. But... sure. I'll go for it. Didn't you confirm it is detecting? Seems like the counter is the problem. It is detecting, but it's not detecting the sphere. Even if I move the sensor down, like into the game screen. Like you'll see. What? Why did it work that time? So yeah, it is the counter. What am I attempting to do? I'm attempting to have it increment this number. I don't know, man. It's so weird. I don't like it. So it has to be the counter then. Like, no limit. Does that change it? Oh. What? Why? Why? Is that why? That is why. So it was hitting one and it was looping down. Okay, good to know. Good to know! Sorry about that. I feel like an absolute buffoon now, so that's cool. I want to turn off validity on these. I wish you could hide the actual object, but you do you. Okay, this is better. It's better, to say the least. I'm no longer interested in really seeing that, so I'm gonna take this and display that number. So it was double incrementing? That's exactly what it was. Okay, that's set to -2 now, which is not what I wanted, but yeah, why did it do that? For what reason? So it's multiplying. Ugh. This is a mess. This is Scratch, but DLC is included for sure. So it's going to 1, and then it's setting this to -2. I don't know why. It should be, you know, 1 times 3 is 3, and then if this is 1.5, wait, what is it at? Why is it at 1? That should be at 1.5. Is it this? Why is it at 1? I said 1.5, you dingus. Does it not allow decimals? What's going on here? Why is this so annoying? Okay, it's at 1.5. Is it the calculator that's doing it? You can't hide the objects, and you can push them into the back. You can't hide the objects. Can you push them into... You can hide the objects. Calculation result, 0 times 1.5 is 0. That makes sense, but when I'm playing the game, it is not 0, so... Just saying, don't know why it's not incrementing once. Kinda nice if it, you know, would. Just saying. Okay, is it the same as 1? Am I just crazy? Is this just 1? Speed the same? The speed's the same. Okay. 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 Whatever. No. Don't know why I even put decimals. So this should now... But why does gravity just start existing? That's something I don't understand. So now that's working, it seems like. But that doesn't really make sense, to say the least. Okay. That's better. That is better. And then... I guess what we could do is we'd have to make another counter system, oh lord, for, looks like velocity gets inverted in both x and y. Yeah, oh yeah, I know. Yeah, we're gonna have to make another counter for the other value now, which is great. I just wanted to do it so I could get it set up beforehand. Was that... which value was that? It's probably y. And the y value... Which one is it that we need to invert? We don't want to invert the x value. We could put an absolute value on that. No, you couldn't, because you do eventually want to invert it. Great. Okay, let's add another counter. See if this works. What just happened? Well, I literally didn't even watch. What happened? What? Why is it I'm dumb. There we go. So, that's better! Kind of. We'll pretend. It was kind of better. Can we duplicate this now? Bring it down here. I feel like it's slowing down. That didn't even do anything. Term. Why is it changing direction? I never did anything to do that. Why did it change direction? That's really weird. So if it's 1, it subtracts 2, which is -1, which means it's... You didn't attach it to anything? I didn't attach what to anything? What do I do now? Why is this attached? Two things. What's going on? This shouldn't be attached to... This one shouldn't be attached. Come on. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Second sensor. I didn't make it a... Oh. Oh! Yeah, that makes sense. Thank you. Sorry, my brain is just... Let's see. Let's give it a shot. Okay, it should still bounce up. It did not. because the sensor's not far enough. See now. Okay. It should still bounce up, I think. No. Okay, I'm not worried about that yet. We can make this destructive to the ball needs to be destructible. Okay, it's hard to select these things, man. Destructible to box. So now it should break when it hits the wall. Yep, okay. The 3D is kind of weird. Let's see. Bounces off. Well, I guess what we could do, shape, change, object, break. Hello, how's it going, TG Meme? If the cylinder breaks, what we'll do is we'll output other, no, retry game. And we'll add a timer. Oh. Pulse extenders. Minecraft Redstone would like to know your location. And the game should just restart. 3 seconds is a little bit long. Why did nothing happen? What is your problem? I chose the wrong thing. Now when it hits the wall... Cool! Okay, that's actually not bad. You have to wait until 9? Darn. Yeah, I got lucky. My cartridge arrived early. Okay. I live in Canada, and our time zones are, we have to wait quite a few more hours, to say the least. Only 8:10 here, so we've still got 4 hours to go, pretty much. Okay, so, now, I mean, this is looking better, to say the least. Very grateful for everyone's help, that's for sure. I guess we can make this controllable by another stick. Why does that say amount tilted? Oh. Did I not attach a UFO here? Okay, I'll put a UFO there. Up, down. Settings. Visible, no. Solid, no. Parented. Why did it not work? Up, down. Right stick. Why did it... Why are you not working? What's the deal? Did I have this? Do I have it backwards? No. Movable. There. But I don't want it to fall, so... Material, zero gravity... Perfect. Are you using USB mouse for playing this? Yes, I am, and it's honestly amazing. Okay, so can I, like... This is gonna suck, but... Okay. I want to make this solid. It is solid. The ball is solid, right? Yep. You know, here's the controller speed. Here's mouse speed. A lot nicer. Although it does depend on your mouse's dots per image and stuff like that. So if I turn it up all the way, you'll see it goes fast. If I turn it down all the way, you'll see it kind of goes slow. Very worth it to use a mouse, to say the least. Let's see. So we've got our UFO. We've got our controllers working, but I want to make it so it bounces. I guess I could add player numbers, like player scores too. Or rather, just, you'd only need a single score. Still. The layout looks quite messy. Is there an auto formatter? I don't think so, unfortunately. But that's actually something that they should really focus on adding, because I know exactly what we're talking about. Like, I think Scratch has one of those, which, you know, shouldn't be too hard to add, but I feel like it wouldn't work merely because of, like, the screens here. Because these are like your canvases in Unity, if that makes sense. Okay. So, about... Ooh, nope. We'll need another... For sensor... Touch sensor. And if it... Check for touching the... Oh yeah, I guess you could just touch the sphere. Can I parent it? I can. And I've got the two things. That's cool. Neat. On touch. I think that's what we want. We don't want it visible. Are you winning, son? A little bit. A little bit. Took a while. Took a lot of people's help, that's for sure. At least my internet's working this time. So if we have a touch sensor there, it'll move with the stuff. And I guess from that you'd want to make a thing to invert the X. So we might as well duplicate this guy. Duplicate, or you won't even have to duplicate that. Duplicate this guy. Put it in there. Okay, why can't you zoom out while doing that? That's kind of annoying. No. Come on. Oh, okay. What time is Game Builder Garage going to release in East US? If you mean like Eastern time, it's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock no matter where you are. 12 p.m. Friday the 11th is when it comes out. So about 4 hours. Okay. Oh, this is the wrong. Count up. That should have the same data, so throw that in there. And now this can go to decrease the other value, which one is it? I think it's X, Y. Nope, didn't mean to do that. I feel like the buttons are too clicky, if that makes sense. Kind of like to pair to everything. Like, you never seem to be able to click on the right thing. Okay, so that's got a decrement, I believe. Does this work? Ah, look at that. Cool. Cool. Now, somehow this reminds me of programming interview. You have to explain the algorithm. Oh boy. It's like explaining the algorithm, but you can't speak. You have to use only drawing. Like, literally. Try to make the Joy-Cons as walls. You mean, like, make them vertical? Because I've tried, and I literally cannot get it. I don't know why. I might have to make it overhead, which I'm not excited about. Can you not copy? Or, wait, you can select multiple things and duplicate, so that's cool. Good to know. I don't need this. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I feel as if what I'll have to do is make it so that... Hmm. How are you gonna do that? I don't know, man. I think I want to go back to the tutorial now. But, like, it's coming along. It's just... Oh. Interesting. That was kind of cheap, not gonna lie. Yep, okay, cool. So it looks like it has to hit straight on. Yeah, it does. And then it doesn't bounce back because... Well, the reason is because it's looping down and that number's not resetting, so... Yeah. Unless I increment... Can you manipulate the object's hitboxes at all? No. But what you can do, and what I have been doing, is I've been creating, like, objects around them and making them invisible and turning off their collision, and making that the object that does it. Hey, design tip, I could use it. What's up? Oh, darn it. Make the Joy-Cons vertical, like facing the screen? I'm trying! I can't do it, man. I've tried so hard. Whenever I rotate them, it seems to be like a bug. It seems to be like a bug, but when I rotate them, they just don't do anything. Like, if I change the rotation on another axis, you'll see it rotated, but not the way I wanted it to. So if I go here, set that to 0, set this to 90, you'll see it's still... What if you set it to 0, 0, 0? Watch this work. If it works, I will be so happy. Nope, and it's back here. I don't understand why. Like, you'd want to rotate it on the y-axis, would it not? X? I mean, I could always just switch to, like, a wall. I don't know why I'm using the Joy-Con, I just thought they were cool. But no, that didn't work either. Like, I don't... Try 45. X. 90 might be bugged. I doubt it, but... Nope. Did nothing. It must be because it's parented, I don't know. The only thing I could think of is... computer graphics class. The only thing I can think of is maybe I have to make this overhead. And then move all these boxes and objects. What on earth? What? Yeah, I don't think that worked. Where even are the Joy-Con? They're over... Oh, hello! Yeah, now they're moving on the wrong axis, so... I mean, I guess that's not really a problem. Yeah, I guess I could just switch the axis now. That... Oh, it was the wrong one. Oh, my goodness, what? So it's forward backwards. Is it forward backwards? What? Why is it... The game is about creating a game? Yep, that's... Yeah, that's pretty much it. Why is it not working? What's going on now? The camera is too close to the floor. You can unzoom it. How does one do that? Do I have to do that? No. Probably have to move this up. I think that did it. Looks like it did something. No idea the game isn't out for me yet? Yeah, that's understandable. More up. Ugh. Why do I feel like this just got worse? Why is it not selecting the camera, man? Where did the camera... Oh. Let X and Z to 0. That would make sense. Thank you for that. Yeah, that made it worse. I don't even know what this is. Is that the wall? I can't tell. I think it's the wall. Undo that. I keep making wrong inputs, and it's really annoying. Set Y to 5 now. Why did this go back? Oh. Nope. I'm just gonna go back to the other layout. Sorry, but, no thank you. Back here. Sorry, I'll just, like, use boxes or something. I don't know. The Joy-Con are annoying. They're not made for this, to say the least. Check the connection point of the Joy-Con. Like, I wish you could rotate this, but you can't. Like, this here, I have it set to 90, but it doesn't fix anything. But the Joy-Cons are so cool. I agree, but, like, I don't know what to do. I don't know. No matter what I do, it doesn't seem to work. Oh, whoops. Like, it looks like it should work, but not. That's the wrong one. Like, I don't know, man. Why is it not working? I'm gonna cry. Like, it's rotating that way. What's the problem? Bottom left? Change the connection port of the Joy-Con? But why would... Can't change the... Can't, it has to go to, the object. Or else I can't control it. Fortunately. I don't know, man. Oh, you mean this? Center. Does that work? Do I have to do it on the UFO? Nope. Center's good, right? Just say screw it and use gyro controls. Game Builder Garage is greater than C++, for sure. Obviously. Literally everything's gonna use it. Set 45 degrees on XYZ? Okay. If I can, you know, get into the right object. Glad they added this. Would have been really bad if they didn't. Oh, thank you, Super Blue Blur. I feel like it didn't even Is it rotated? Yeah, it is slightly. But it didn't rotate on the other axis. I don't know, man. Like, why? What if I rotate this 45 degrees? No, like, that didn't work either. Also retrouve partout. You see him a lot? Something is overriding the rotation. Yeah, it has to be the UFO. Like, I don't know. It's really annoying, that's for sure. Really wish it wouldn't. Yeah, if I add the Joy-Con object normally, it works fine, but then I can't control it. Which is what I want to do. You know? So... go to the UFO and let me see. Here, I'll turn off the connection point. Because I had it rotated properly beforehand, but you'll see I can't control it now. Frame of reference motion? Where'd you see that? World or camera? Oh, we'll try world. Nope. Yeah, you can't rotate it on the x-axis for some reason. Oh, you know why? I betcha the UFO can't be rotated on the x-axis. I bet you. Is the game fun? The game is fun. But it's probably just the UFO. Because... Good luck with the game. It's fun watching you, trying to solve the problem. Thank you. If only it was fun for me. I bet you if I used... Can I use something else? I don't know if I can. Like, if I try using... Person. Let's try it. That's kind of cursed, not gonna lie, but you do you. But now we can't go up and down, is the problem. And even then, I don't think we are going to be able to. If top-down would work, person would be perfect. Yeah, but I have no idea how to do the top-down yet, so it's just really annoying. Like, what is going on? Oh, yeah! Properties, what's other? Is it in the Joy-Con? Don't play and can't be grabbed for sounds and stuff. It's just random stuff. Should I really switch to the top-down view? I don't know. Like, I just find it so annoying. Unless I just delete the game screen and start over. Let's do that. I think the Joy-Cons are worth it. What game am I trying to make? I'm trying to make Pong. Just because it's such a simplistic and easy thing to do, you know? Nope, not what I meant. Okay, top-down view. But now everything's screwed up! Like, ugh! You gotta make sure you go into top-down view before you start. Because if you don't, you're screwed over. You can't what? Oh boy. Ugh. Someone said to rotate the UFO? Yeah, as far as I know, you can't. Unless we use, like, one of the angle things, but every single time we try, it just, like... You know what? You might be able to. Because there's angle stuff. Howdy, Yoko. I don't know. Angle 1. Does this just add angles? Is that all that does? Yeah, that's literally it. Okay, yeah, no, I don't think we can. Howdy. Yeah, maybe not. Angle sensor. No, that's not even right. Rotating object. No, because that's not right either. Ugh. Grr. We have to go to the overhead. That has to. Yeah, we have to do the overhead. Okay, well, time to redo this for the 50th time. But I just don't like it. I don't like it. It's so bad. I don't like overhead view, man. Ugh. We'll figure it out. We're doing it the hard way. There's a reason why. I see why Nintendo makes us do the tutorial. I see why. It's not like Mario Maker where you can just pick it up and put items down. It's complicated. Okay. So there we have our Joy-Con. There we have our touch sensor, which has to be at the bottom and the top. Don't want the UFO now. Because, I mean, we could have the UFO, but might as well just use the person. I was about to ask about the 2.5 development, and then I noticed that your layout kind of looks like a Divine Beast Dollar Store edition. Thank you. About as complicated as one, isn't it? There's our person. Kinda don't like the fact that... Like, do I have to switch onto this axis? Is that what it is? There's the camera. Okay. Okay. So if we double-click, we can select, then move it to the camera. Okay. Not bad. Move that to the camera. Why are they still... What kind of programming do we do? I do a lot of, if you mean by, like, what language, or do you mean, like, what do I specialize in? Like, what do I enjoy doing with my pastime? The camera's too low. Let's see. What do I specialize in? I like to write basic libraries, stuff like that. A lot of, simple, let's just say scripting. I do a lot of kind of, I guess you could consider it computer forensics. Kind of like file types, stuff like that. Libraries. Ooh. Oh yeah, so much fun. Don't you like writing manuals? Ugh. No. Okay, so there's our Joy-Con. Didn't mean to move that. Where's our... Here we go. Up, down. And this would be forward, backwards, I believe. No. Okay. This mouse is nice, but like Nintendo, you kinda made it all wonky. Yeah, why does this not work? Person not movable? No, it is. What's going on? Why? Why are we not moving? Move solid? That why? So it just falls through the floor? Might be stuck inside the Joy-Con? That doesn't seem to be the case. But I guess I could make this not solid. Joel said he's slightly proud of me. Thank you. Tell Joel I said thanks. Oh, that worked great. I just put the UFO back then? I guess I could. But that's on zero gravity. Like, what? Why? Make it solid. Like, what? Oh my god, I have to lock this object, man. Lock all of them. This is fun. This is definitely a better time than, better pastime than most. It was setting to the right stick. Okay, so that's better. I don't like it rotating, honestly. That's kind of annoying. If you're down, you could hop into a Discord call and you can help me out. I'm currently in Discord, but nobody's talking, and I can't exactly get into my Discord because my mouse is here. Oh, I mean, send me a friend request. I'm Capnem0001. Should work. Why is that not working? Kind of annoying. Should have worked. Why did that not work? Anyways, capnem.ca/discord will take you to my Discord. Added lit. Okay. So, can I make it so it doesn't rotate? Don't want this visible now. Okay, so now we have a moving Joy-Con that, you know, kind of weird. Gotta use the UFO for no rotate? Okay. We'll do that. But I feel like it'll still rotate. Rotate? Ew. Can't speak. Don't want it visible. Gotta actually hook up the input. Still rotates. Local librarian contending with drag and drop programming? Oh, for sure. What if I don't want it to rotate, man? Come on! This is annoying! I gotta be like this. Turning speed 0. No turning. Oh. Nice. That actually worked. Task failed successfully. Now the right one, for sure. Okay, objects, characters, UFO. Come on! Guess I should make it the same size. So, I could probably just duplicate this one. Okay. No, I like literally didn't even go near that. Forwards, backwards, right? Don't know what happened there, but okay. Joy-Con, full movement, solvable, blah blah blah. Why did it not? Oh, gotta link it up first. Wrong height? Okay, I'll fix that in a second. I don't remember which ones of these I want, so I'm just gonna link them all together and pretend it. Okay. The Joy-Con's there now. It's not movable, though. Okay, so I now move both at the same time. But yes, you're right, the height is wrong. These them? Oh, what? Why are they... Oh yeah, it is slightly... Seems like it's slightly lower. So hard to click them. Okay, yeah, they seem about the same now. They look like fine like that in play mode. Okay. And now we need this UFO here, so I want to make this the right stick. Okay. Or actually, rather, what I could do, make it so that both sticks work. Make it controller one. I'll just leave it for now. Not my worry right now. Is there a way to share the games? Yes. But you need to use level IDs, which sucks. So. I'm gonna go back into this mode. Touch sensor. I'll make the hitbox a little bit bigger. You gotta be on Discord. Cool. Now this has to be paired to the fancy object paired with. Like it's so wonky. The UFO is paired with that, which is paired to the touch sensor. Don't think it really matters which way it goes. Just want to see. Whoa, okay, so first we gotta work on the ball moving in the right direction. Which would be the... not the y-axis, but rather the z, whatever. Nope. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. But I need... touch sensor. I'm gonna make it... it is visible. Why is it off camera? Why is it off camera? What? It's visible. I guess I'll have to go here and make sure everything's lined up. Now the ball's too high? Yeah. Not a fan of the 2.5D stuff. It's kind of not great. Oh, and the walls are in the wrong spots too, aren't they? This stuff's all gonna have to get moved down. And it's not locked. What? Why is it... Okay. Okay. Not entirely understanding what's going on there. But, I mean, it's all lining up now. So, I feel like it would work. Check the two things at the bottom. Those are your Joy-Cons? No, these are the UFOs. What did that just undo? Why did it... It's annoying, oh my goodness. See, now it's all wonky. Ugh. Like, what? Okay, let me undo that. Yeah, now they're visible. Lower the Joy-Cons back? Yeah, I did. You can see everything up there. Why is the camera not depicting it properly? Are you making Pong? Yes, I am, Ethan. And it's not as easy as I'd hope. Amazing. Thank you. Okay. Why are the walls, like, off the camera? Don't change the camera? Okay. Probably do it quicker than the iOS 15 update? Yeah, that's for sure. I mean, that thing was like 5 gigs for me. Back to the side view. Okay. There. Set the ball down with the UFO. Why would I want them down here? I mean, okay. Wish you could select everything but something. That'd be cool. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah, that's smart. Ugh, I keep moving them off the wrong plane. See, I literally am holding shift thinking it's going to do something. That's that's how big of my brain, that's how big my brain is. Okay, there's a wall there now. But I don't know where the other ones are. And I gotta move the ball too. Oh. I did in fact forget the ball. Okay, the ball's a lot smaller than I had hoped. And that didn't work. But that did. And that didn't. I think the ball might not be colliding with the Joy-Con. Or is it? What is happening? I don't know. Make a first-person games in this? Actually, there is an option for first-person, but I don't really know what it does. If you want to call, I'm ready whenever. I literally can't, because my mouse is connected. Chat is definitely the better option in this one. Oh no, yeah, for sure. Oh, and there I go again. Thought I locked you. Sick of this stuff getting moved around all over the place. Not the mouse. Yeah, I know. I literally can only Alt-Tab. I already read that. Use level IDs to prevent the kind of content you see on the Smash Ultimate sharing section. Oh, for sure. Move the touch sensor up. Like in 2D view, I assume you mean. Or do you mean... Here, wait, we're even... Oh. Thank you for catching that. Yeah, I see. I see. But why are you not hitting my Joy-Con? What is the reason here? What is the meaning of this? On touch. Where are the number objects? Why are they up there? Bring them down here. And maybe flip it so I can actually see the number. I think it's really weird the noise user got to be placed where you want the objects to be. I mean, it kind of makes sense. Like, I mean, in reality, it's... Whoa, okay. That's interesting. Why did that happen? Unless the collision is in the wrong spot, which is exactly what's going on. I think. Yep. Is exactly what's happening. You should make... Yes, of course. Remember that one time I tried running Scratch on a Switch? That was great. Didn't work at all. Just if anyone was wondering. Okay, this is really tedious. And this one just has the Joy-Con object, so... Okay. And the same thing happened. Hmm. What is it? Unless I need to have it that the UFO is doing that instead of the fancy object. Does that fix it? Okay, it kind of did. I make the hitbox generally bigger than... Are you solid? Don't be. No, I don't really... No, it should be the touch sensor. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's the touch sensor. Why would it... UFO shouldn't matter. Okay. Okay, I don't know what happened there, but... I mean, sure. People say it's coming out at 12, but I'm not sure. It is, in fact. Well, depending on what your time zone is. It comes out at 12 all the time. Always. Also, I'm mad that you can't change the color of the Joy-Con without actually changing the actual Joy-Con. It's kind of annoying. And AEST, just waiting on Amazon to get it here. Yeah. Oh, I probably have to link it. And my internet is dying right now. What is happening? Sorry, my internet just like died for a second. That's cool. Please tell me it's not going to start doing this, because every once in a while it does. If so, I'll have to end the stream because my internet is a jerk. Stream paused a couple of times, but it's fine now. I wouldn't be so sure. My internet kind of sucks sometimes. And, I mean, I actually had to get my internet service provider to come in and fix it, and they said they fixed it, but yeah, like, for now. I might have to reduce the quality. It's been pretty smooth for me. Yeah, no, it's my internet here, for sure. Like, I had to get a new modem and all that stuff, and, like, literally just the other day. But, oh, that reminds me, what's up? Oh, that's cool. Game looks max with Pog. Oh, and there goes my internet again. Really hoping that it fixes itself, because I'm going to be very pissed off if it doesn't. Now which one is it that I'm worried about? It's the one. Oh, that's nice. Just reading your thing, Ethan. Which one is it? Connector sounds like a bee? It does. They all follow the eyes, it's kind of creepy. Okay, which one is it that I'm worried about? It's not the speed. Is this like Scratch but half decent? Yeah, for sure. Although Scratch has if statements, and I kind of wish this had it, but beggars can't be choosers, you know? Okay, my internet is dying, and I'm not happy about it. I'm probably gonna have to switch service providers. This is really cool. It's nice when you pay for gigabit internet and it doesn't work. Okay, so I don't know where this is supposed to go. Get Bell. I tried, but they're kind of stupid here, so even though they literally have gigabit. It's expensive, but worth it? Trust me, I know, but my parents don't want to, you know, think about it because they hate their customer service, and we have smart home monitoring with Rogers, so kind of a pain. I don't know which one it is that I'm supposed to be using here. You know what? Which one is it? Does it even matter? And it's that counter there. Okay. Okay, this is really cool. I'm probably gonna have to restart the stream. Which is nice, because my internet router is literally crapping itself, so that's cool. Totally thought they fixed this, but, I mean, apparently they didn't. I don't know if it's working or not. Like, I've just dropped 2,000 frames out of literally nowhere, which is really cool. Wanna borrow your R210? You make whatever you want, pretty much. If only it could make me a better internet router. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to end the stream, so that's really cool. But I'll bring it back in a second. Ugh. This is annoying. really mad about this. I am so ready to, I'll be your internet router. Okay. Sure. I mean, you could probably do a better job. Not gonna lie. Okay. Sorry if the stream quality dies, because this should fix it, but the quality is going to die now. There's nothing I can do about it, because, you know. Ah, Lord. Yeah, my internet is absolutely garbage. This is so cool. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go check on the modem and see if something's going on. Seems to be whenever 9 o'clock hits. Ow. Tech support with Captain Nem. If only. Yeah, no, the stream quality is going to be absolutely garbage. And I checked the router, and it says it's doing just fine, which is an absolute lie. Why is my mouse not working now? What? Did my mouse die? What happened here? What's going on here? I checked the router and it's indeed there. Indeed their what? Indeed their problem? Or is it indeed there? Okay, so I seem to be having mouse issues. Okay, there we go. You know, my bitrate's going from about 21,000 to 0 every other second. Great. So the stream quality is going to die. And there's nothing I can do about it. But, yeah, kinda super excited to get rid of my service provider because they clearly can't maintain... Sounds like your router is a DDSP computer, wouldn't be surprised. You're using a mouse and the switch, right? Yep. Seems to not be flawless, but it works, so... Because this is just... Sounds like external interference? Okay, so I had a technician in, and I actually streamed, so I'm sorry to anyone who subscribed and got notified about that, but I was trying to explain to him what was going on, and he had no idea what I was talking about. Now, what my internet service provider does is to compete with other service providers in my area now. They're trying to push gigabit on wires that cannot push gigabit, and the way they're doing that is is why do they keep making noises? Is basically our upload speed is about anywhere from 2 to 20, and our download speed is gigabit, and they're saying gigabit internet. All the other service providers in the area, they provide gigabit down, gigabit up. Can you model your own objects? I believe you can. The bandwidth, yeah, like it's absolutely garbage. But 20 upload, like I'm paying for their max. Well, we're paying for their max plan, so we get about 20 upload, and it's flawless. Like it's great. Because I only need about 67,000 is what I stream at, kilobits a second. Twitch only allows you know, about 6,000 anyways. But, you know, they've checked the interference of our cable, they've checked everything, and it's only when I'm doing anything in real time, and it's the real-time media protocol. I ended up talking to the service technician, they did a little bit more research, and my internet service provider, as of recent, has basically throttled real-time media protocol if a connection is live for more than like 2 hours. So basically, I can't stream for more than 2 hours without my internet service provider being like, he's been streaming too long, maybe, you know, throttle his network, and like when they're having heavy servers. So I can do a speed test right now, and it's not my network card, I proved it to him. I can do a speed test and still get about 20 megabits per second up, which is more than enough. And I still get a bit down, but their backend will automatically throttle my connection to Twitch and all that stuff just because I'm using them as a service provider, and it's absolutely garbage, and I hate it so much. And I mean, it's super shady. Oh, it's incredibly shady. It sounds like it's against the CRTC. I don't know what that means, but okay. I mean, if you want to help me sue them, I will gladly do it. They said that they're looking on fixing the issue, but like it's honestly like white Poe. I'm not saying that. That's just, I mean, that's what the internet service providers can do, because they like scamming people, I guess. I don't know. I'm not saying any racist comments. This is a family friendly stream, and Kappa can kiss my rear. So either way, they're kind of like inflating their numbers to make it seem like they're great, when in reality, you know, they're very limiting. Canada Radio and oh yeah, we learned about that in history class. Yeah, for sure. Either way, really not happy about it. Contacted their technicians. They don't know what to do. I'm not sure about America, but in Australia we have a government ombudsman for misinterpreted consumer products. Well, you see, that's the thing. They can advertise it as a gigabit network because, you know, the bandwidth is technically gigabit. It's just not all the time, if that makes sense. And it's not great because, like, literally right now I'm looking at my upload speed. It's 0. But like if I do a speed test, technicians are freaking well, they're not even owned by Rogers. They're not even, you know, they're not cable technicians. They're just installers. That's all they are. So I've done so much research. They've given me new routers. Like the router that we have right now is their brand new one. Hasn't even came out yet. Because they knew I knew what I was doing, and they didn't want to get me the same. You know, it worked for about a week, and now talk about how they're allowed to advertise the speeds they give before overhead. Yeah, tell me about that. Like, I don't even know, but sorry, the stream quality is going to be bad for the next little while, but, you know, it's garbage, and there's nothing I can do about it, so, I'll just have to wait until I can switch to, you know, the only good service provider in my area, which recently just ran, pure fiber cable, so, it's just, it's a long story. We used to use them, and then when we moved, we switched back because they didn't have, excuse me, companies have to advertise their average speeds during peak times along with their max speeds. Yeah, not here. But it's not your fault, that's for sure. It's just annoying. But no, when we switched, we sent off, like, the boxes for TVs, and they never got them. And apparently they got shipped back to our old house. And we don't have them anymore. If they just ran it, no, we already have fiber. Like they've been running it for the past 2 years. Like we have fiber here now. But and pure fiber, like not just fiber. But takes about 3 years. You know, it's already done. Trust me. Like they ran it like 2 years ago, and like that's what I mean by they just ran it. Like we got the notification in the mail that we now have pure fiber in our area. Like literally about a month ago, and I wanted to switch, but because we never returned those old boxes, they're trying to bill us like $2,000, which is really cool, and something my parents don't want to pay for, especially since we have to do an installation fee and all that stuff too. So I probably have to put it in my name, and like that's just a big disaster in the making, and like it's just kind of, you know, it's something we don't really want to do right now because of all the circumstances. So I mean to waste time, but I feel like I need to let it out sometimes because I hate my internet service provider and it's just garbage. So anyways, where were we? If it's in your name, they can't do anything, I know. My parents are building your credit for me? I know. That's the thing. Great. It's the only good thing about it. Okay. So we need to rig up this touch sensor. I think it's this one here. Now, about this, we need to. It's already rigged up. Why did it not work? Because it's incrementing. See, this might not be that great, unfortunately. See, if I restart the router, it should go back to normal. Did you finish Pong? Not yet. Now we gotta finish, I basically have to, make it so it bounces back. Although you think it would. Because it should loop back. Yeah, what? I'm gonna get rid of this number. I'm gonna make this read that. Okay, it's 1 now. Should go to... What just happened? Okay, it went back to 0. Yeah. And that makes it multiply by 0. Do I have BTTTV or FFZ? Are those chat add-ons? What are they? I've heard of those. I don't know what they are. I've been told that if I use a VPN, it'll fix the issue, but I don't have that kind of money. It's honestly cheaper for me to just switch to a different service provider, you know? Oh, I know what the problem is. It's subtracting nothing. Unless I make it add negative or something. Yeah, I don't know. Does that work? Can I just, like, reset it on touch as well? This counter, I think. What is BTTV? I don't know what that is. Okay. So can I reset this on this? Look a better Twitch TV. Are they like chat add-ons? Because I think I've seen those. I just don't have it enabled. I didn't really know what it did. Okay, so that just incremented the speed for some reason. Captain, how did you do it? Do what? Okay. I'd have to increment it. You know what? No matter what I do, it's going to decrease it. Which is kind of annoying. Unless I make this start at 1. What if I make this start at 1? Do I even need to do that? I don't know. And then instead of resetting those, I reset these? I don't know. Nope, that didn't work either. Hmm. This looks like it's changing very quickly, and I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna set this back to 0. And I'll get rid of these resets. But I don't know how I would go about now flipping it back, really. Like, you'd need to reset it so that basically this goes back to 1. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. It's -1 there. You'd want it to go back to regular 1. For sure. How would you... Like, unless I go ahead and say... Because there's like a comparison thing. Like, what is the output? The result's true or false. Like, how is that going to help me? I don't really understand how that would work. Indeed. I don't really know. Okay, I kind of feel like just going back to the tutorials, just for the time being. I kind of want to see if I can get it done. Okay, we're back here. Your attention please, step 4. Last time we... Okay. I start working on a rule that should really capture the feel of the maze game. Collect 5 apples to win the game. So for this step, we need to make a way to count how many apples have been collected. Okay, this looks like it could get interesting. Counter note on sounds great. Okay. Is it gonna show me how to hide the thing in the back? That'd be nice. Open the settings. Enable visible. Sounds good. Change the color to red. White. 1 digit. Oh, I see. Oh no. I already know how to do that. Okay, that's much better. Make sure to stay hydrated. I got my G Fuel here, but thank you. It's good. Coolio. So we're just gonna add like a... Probably just gonna add... a win condition, huh? Is this gonna be a... Wait, are we gonna check? Okay, this doesn't look bad. This could be promising. Oh. And we're gonna need a constant. Cool. Action between... okay. Oh, that's gonna be how many is missing. Don't really like that, but okay. Basically, if it equals 0, then end the game. Got it. Oh, that's clever. Okay. The eShop isn't letting you get to purchase the game yet. You should be able to purchase it, you just can't get it until midnight tonight. Okay. Neato. Sound effect, great. Let's see. You know, it does definitely grab our hand. Oh no, we're not going to be able to hear it, are we? Oh, you can. Okay. Neato. Oh, did I get the game? The game arrived early. I got it at 9 this morning. What, we have to add instructions now? Okay. Okay. Do stuff. Did you enter get the apples? Yeah, that's what I did. When are the Nodons getting an anime? I don't know. Right after they get added to Smash, probably. Oh yeah. Protect is legible. Oh. Ugh. I like how it clicks when you know it's the right size. It's honestly the best part. Remaining. Do. I did! Yeah, I did that! The game can't tell, right? Neato. They better come out with an anime. For sure. That sounds fine to me. We're gonna have to put a timer, aren't we? Okay. Okay. I really want to turn off the collision. It's really annoying. Woohoo! So easy. Which Nona gets his character arc first? Good question. And what are their moves? Yeah, I could like just literally reprogram the game. Oh. Not fair, Nintendo got to program this in an actual coding language. This thing's scary. I don't like this one. I don't like that that's in the wrong spot, but okay. Oh. But I could just make it destroy the object. Oh, interesting. Why do we have to rotate? Oh. Okay then. Okay, it makes more sense now. Wow. Wow. I don't really want to. Kinda sucks. I don't like this. How many levels are there to build? I believe there's like 9. And then there's like... Okay, yeah, I'm done with this. Get me out of here. Okay, come on. Music, I know how to do that. Personal flair, you're gonna make me do everything. What even is this? Looks like 8 right there. That's the, like, steps. But there's even more. Oh, is this just the... Oh. Yay. BGM time. Too much talking. Yeah, I do. So you know I want to do the first speedrun of the game? Just literally just spam left click. That'll be a category, it's like no mouse category. Oh boy. Don't even want to do that. Just get out of here. Wow, what a fun game. Woohoo. So obsessed with the game builder guide. Yeah. I'm kind of mad that they haven't played the main theme yet that, like, was in the trailer. This is gonna be like Breath of the Wild, where the theme is nowhere to be found in the game. Cool. Woohoo! Still wish I could figure this out. Like, ugh, it's so stubborn. Like, ugh, it's so unorganized, though. And there's, like, nothing you can do about it. Like, this is constant to calculate. Why am I using it twice? Oh, I guess I need it twice. Okay. But, like, I want to make it so that, let's say I want to flip the number again. Man, this dude's attitude makes me not want to be here. Wow, that's sad. Sorry, I'm just getting a little bit uptight with my internet provider. Ah. And it's getting late. Oh boy. But yeah, you can do the free programming. Ugh. How'd you get the ball to bounce off the top and not the bottom? Because it was a long story, to say the least. Basically, good question. Trying to make it so it bounces off the bottom as well, but I've got a touch sensor, which is inverting the speed at which the value is moving, if that makes sense at all. But at the same time, whenever it's so hard to explain. I can't get it to bounce back because it's going to 0. And I don't know why. Well, I do know why, but like, I don't know how I'm gonna work around that. Indeed. Yes. Okay, so this here is sending a signal up here, which is incrementing this counter, which is essentially a Boolean. Switches between 0 and 1, which indicates whether or not it should be, you know, I'm back. So why did the ceiling not work? The ceiling does work. It's just, now I gotta get it so it works the other way around. If that makes sense. So basically, we increment the counter here. I wish you could rename them. That would be nice. Get a difference. So it knows what to increment by. But now the problem is that it's resetting to 0. And I don't want that. So unless I set this to 3 and have it so that it also increments each time, if that makes sense. So let's say it were to hit the sensor. I think it's this one. To count up. So it would automatically count up, and then I just increment this to 3 to account for the fact that it's going up 1. If that makes sense. Ugh. Oh! No, that didn't work. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know how you would do this. Very confusing.